right, pouring pillow paint, and as you see, there is a big glob of something. So always be on the lookout for that and try to get that out of your paint. And pop those bubbles. Spin it just a little bit and I'm ready. Drop it down like that and that will also pop bubbles. Let's make a beautiful bloom with leaves. This is one of my favorite colors by Liquitex. It is Alizarin Crimson. It's a gorgeous color. Oh, look at that bubble. It popped. Now this is a custom red violet that I added. I made it a little bit darker than it normally is. And now for the leaf color. Again, this is a custom color I just mixed together that I thought would look like a nice color for a leaf. Pop those bowls. And let's add black oxide cell activator using the Australian Floetrol. That's my granddaughter. She was 5. She likes to watch and she makes them now too. Just blow out a little bit of that black across the green. Some turn out better than others, but that's okay. This is 24 karat gold by DecoArt. I love this gold. And the cell activator. Now on this one I decided not to use a blow dryer, but I am just blowing it with my mouth. Just thought I would experiment. And I'm just centering it again, tilting it here and there. Now for a little doodling. I want to make this look like a pretty flower. One last popping of the bubbles and spinning it out. Wow. I'm really happy with this. Beautiful. Look for those little white dots. You can always embellish later. Or you can do that. Need to make sure I get enough paint off, so a little more spinning. Most of the leaves are kind of off the canvas, but that's okay. There we go.